In this position, white to play and win. Now, white is threatening mate by queen on g7. So, the exchange of queen is forced. Now, a race of pawn to promote a queen is on. Black was first to promote a queen, however, white promote also to a queen with a check. Black is forced to cover the check with his queen. This latter technique is only applicable when the king is on the g1 or g8, b1 or b8, the queen is on the c1 or c8 or f1 or f8, and the attacker king is opposite of the opponent's king. Notice that, black queen has no better squares to check the white king. And checkmate.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.